Santa. You're Santa. And
Hey everyone, this is Ieasha of Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm super excited because I am a co-host in the A Tray for Santa collaboration, and this collab is hosted by Vee-ology, and the co-hosts are myself, Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, Fabulous Designs on a Budget, Simply MEnique, and Carter's Eat. So make sure you go and check out their videos once you look at this one. All right, so as you see, I have my girl, twin, and
23.
my oldest baby. All right. So what we have done, we went ahead and baked some cookies. I bought some cookies at the store, and we have baked them, as you see right here. So what we're gonna do now is take these cookies out of this this pan here, and we're gonna put them in cookies for Santa. You gonna get in there? Okay, read them. All right, so we're just gonna put these. As you see, we're just putting the cookies on the tray right here, and here's how it looks. Looks really, really good.
Yummy cookies.
And we're gonna take this into the living room so that Santa can have him some cookies. All right, and he wants Santa loves coffee, so we have made him some coffee. Instead of milk, we're gonna do cookies and coffee. All right, so let me show you the coffee that we have made. All right, so as you see, this is the coffee that I have made for Santa in this beautiful Christmas coffee mug that was given to me by my sister so many years ago. All right, so we're going to take this into the living room so that Santa can have his cookies and coffee.
Dear Santa, I've been a great girl this year. Love. Dear Santa, I've been a good girl for you. Love.
Dear Santa, I have been a very good girl. Love. It's my turn. Dear Santa, I have been a really good girl this year. I want a lot of gifts and goodies from Santa. Love, Ieasha.
We want gifts too. Bye. Merry Christmas, Santa.
All right, so as you see, they are eating cookies. Are they good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, you got to say Santa some of those cookies, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so here's the rest of the cookies that will be for Santa. And I've added a little decor right here, a couple of ornaments, so that it's just be a little festive. And there's his coffee.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, and thank you for the cookies and coffee.